Good afternoon, you guys. We are back for another day of this 100-day challenge. Whew. I honestly just left the library and I got a lot done. I got so much done. I was able to create a few things on my stand store. This guy is just right by my door. His dog is going crazy. He's so cute. I'm not sure what I think he's training him. I don't know, but that just distracted me. Anywho, I am learning that, I think he's training him. Oh, I need to teach mamas that, her butt, because she be pulling so bad. Anyways, I'm sorry, y'all. I love dogs. But I'm learning that literally, if you get so much in your head, I love that. It's like as soon as he pulls, he like, come back, go around. I love that. I'm not going to show you guys because that's like weird, I feel like. But okay, let me go because I'm getting distracted. Let me just go. What I was saying was, if you get so stuck in your head and just like, let's say you want to start a business and your thoughts immediately go to, but how am I going to receive payment, and how am I going to do this, and how am I going to do that? If you just literally look up the first step to take, what is literally one thing that you can do to pull the needle forward, or whatever the saying is, to whatever it is that you're trying to do. So for me, I'm an esthetician, a virtual esthetician. So that means all of my payments and everything like that has to be accessible online. With that being said, what do I need to look up? How do I receive payments online, virtually? Boom. It tells you that. Like literally, I just feel like I don't really know how to explain this, but sometimes you don't see the full staircase because you just need to take the first step first. Like, and today I really learned that because I was in my head so much about, because for the, for the soft reset experience, there is a deposit required. So I'm like, well, how am I gonna receive the deposit? And how am I gonna do this? And how am I gonna do that? Then today, all of those questions just got answered literally in a matter of an hour. Like, I didn't even know, like, that stand store allows you to create what they're called like landing pages, and it's basically a literal private link for you to send to your clients. Like, and you make it a custom product, that way you can make it whatever price you want, and it's not like a digital product connected to it. It's literally just a landing page, like somewhere for them to pay securely. And I love that I found that out. Like, I'm just so excited because as I take the steps forward, the staircase is getting more and more clear. The fog is clearing. Like, it's all coming together, and I'm just so excited because literally in a matter of an hour or two, I think I've been working, I have finished so much, you guys. I have created my deposit landing page. I created the remaining balance landing page. I inserted like the confirmation email so that literally when someone books me, well, not even books me, when someone applies for my soft reset experience, literally I have all of the steps ready to go. I have all of the emails needed. I have all of the links needed. I have literally everything I need to help a woman anywhere in this world. Like, that to me is so amazing, because I feel like I am now opening so many different options for myself that I didn't know I even had before. And honestly, my last video, well, not my last video, but my video, oh my gosh, like, I wish I would have just seen that. That was nuts. Like, literally. What the hell? Anyways, y'all, driving today is nuts. But I just lost my train of thought. That was crazy. What was I even just talking about? Wow. When I say that, just literally, wow. I wish I would have got that on camera, because what the hell? Whew. I have no idea where I left off, but the point of the matter is that's what I was saying. It happened. All of these new options for myself really happened after I asked myself those 5 questions. And I want to figure out how to link videos, like, at the end of my videos. I don't know how to do that yet, but it's the video. If you scroll down on my page, the thumbnail is like the questions that changed everything or something like that. But it was just 5 questions I asked myself in my journal, and it has literally opened up so many different ways to make money for myself that don't require me to have a physical space. Like, and that was one of my biggest goals, you guys. Like, to be able to work from anywhere in the world, passive income, as well as, you know, my soft reset isn't necessarily passive income. Oh, but it is like, it is a way for me to make money from my laptop without needing a treatment room, without needing anything. And that to me is amazing. And I'm just so happy, so excited that literally, I feel like I keep saying this, but as I take a step every day, the fog gets clearer. The stairwell, you can see it now. Like the little baby steps is what makes everything start to really feel real and to really like come together. Because I don't know, you guys, but I am so excited. I don't know if it's because like what my pastor has been preaching lately. He's had a series titled Suddenly. I watch Pastor Mike Jr. and he's in Alabama, and I love him. Like, I don't care that, you know, I don't go to his physical church. Like, eventually I do want to visit there, but I don't have to. Like, I watch it online and I get the same feeling as if I was there in church, and I love that. So, but anyways, his series right now is Suddenly, and I just have this quiet knowing in me right now that my life is about to shift. My life is about to skyrocket. The whole trajectory of how my life has been going right now is about to do a whole 360. So, yeah, you guys, I am here picking up my mommy. She still has some time, so yeah, y'all. I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the video or if I'm gonna take you guys along on my wind down routine this evening. I'm not really sure, because I don't know, like, it's just a lot going on at my house right now, and like, I'm packing, there's boxes. Like, I know it doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing, but to me, I like it to look, you know, some kind of cutesy, some kind of like, okay, we're getting into something. I don't know. I don't know. But I don't know. I feel like also I love how these videos are of just me talking, because they're just like a visual diary for me. And like, I know y'all don't want to see me working all day, because that's literally what I be doing. I be on this iPad here. I be at the library using their computers, because I don't have a laptop right now. I really need one, y'all. But yeah, like, my days literally consist of doing back-end work for my business, packing, and playing with my dog. That's literally what my days consist of lately, and I just feel like that's super boring. That's why I don't really do vlogs anymore, because I don't be doing nothing, y'all. And I feel like vlogs, you're usually going out doing something, you know, something. But literally, I'm telling y'all, when y'all see me in the car, I'm literally probably coming from the library or from a cafe from working. So, like, do y'all want to see me working at the cafe every day? Or do y'all want to hear what I'm actually working on and how this can potentially help you to work on what you need to be working on. Yeah, that's what I thought. So if y'all have some if y'all have some suggestions, not vlogs, because I know some of the girlies said I want to see more vlogs and I should do more trending things. That's not me. I'm sorry, but it's not. And I feel like my videos right now are about like uplifting the girls. They're about my journey as a virtual esthetician. They're about the behind the scenes work as a virtual assistant, as a small business owner, because I'm not just an esthetician. I'm way more than that, baby. Okay? I'm Sheya, Shakira. Okay? Period. But anyways, y'all, if you have been like struggling with your skin and wanting more help, wanting someone to walk alongside you in your journey, wanting accountability and wanting a softer approach to skincare, and honestly resetting your life, resetting your confidence, anything like that, I truly hope that you check out my description. I have a few things in there right now. My blueprint is available for those wanting to understand their skin and want to build a sustainable routine. That blueprint is definitely going to be for you, girly pop. It is a small sweetie bit of a investment. Not too much. But yes, my blueprint is available for you guys. And like I said, if you're wanting someone to walk alongside you like me through your skincare journey and through just resetting your life, rebuilding your life, y'all, I'm telling you, it's not just about skincare. This soft reset experience is so much more than me helping you with your skincare. So I encourage you to apply. The link is down below. I think I just decided that, yeah, this is the end of the video. I love y'all, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, God willing. But yeah, I love y'all. I hope you have an amazing day, an amazing night. Whenever you're seeing this, God loves you, God sees you. And until the next one, bye.